Dear viewers, good afternoon to all. Today here I am there to speak to you about PRP treatment. PRP is nothing but platelet rich plasma. So what we do in this treatment is we take your autologous blood sample, we centrifuge the sample, collect the plasma which is rich in platelets and inject it in utero through a hysteroscopy. So who are all the patients who benefit through this PRP treatment? If we look into it, it is mainly those who have a thin or a refractile endometrium. When I say thin endometrium, it is those patients who have endometrium less than 6 millimeter, who do not grow enough endometrium in spite of taking oral tablets, colony stimulating factor infusions and everything. So previously we were doing the PRP in utero through an IUI installation, but that was not yielding good results. But now what we are trying to do is we take the autologous platelet rich plasma and through hysteroscopically we go and inject it subendometrially. So we have completed this treatment for around 500 patients, and what we have observed is there is an increase of endometrium by around 1 to 2 millimeter. Although the thickness of the endometrium does not drastically improve, we have seen that the vascularity in the subendometrial region of the uterus improves very well. Those who previously had zero vascularity have shown up to 4 to 5 vascularity in the subendometrial region. So this has been the main reason for the success, and so far around out of the 500 patients we have done, we have had around 87% positive beta HCG value. So this is a very promising result, and we hope that this treatment is going to serve even more couple who have failed outside. So there are many patients who have failed in different IVF centers because of thin or refractile endometrium, and they had come to ARC, and through this subendometrial autologous PRP injection we have shown results. So what I want to tell you is, if you have had a previous failure either in an IUI or through IVF due to a thin or a refractile endometrium, you do not have to worry. You can step in and have this treatment. This is just a day care procedure. You do not need any hospitalization. You just have to come, nil oral, have a bit of anesthesia for around 15 to 20 minutes. We will be injecting the PRP subendometrially and just observe you for a couple of hours and send you back. You can get into your routine day-to-day activities. There is no restriction in your food, diet or work or your family sexual life. So this previously was not much a rewarded treatment, but now after having studied through 500 patients, we have, after having had all these patients had the treatment with us, we have now come to a conclusion that we are yielding good results with this autologous PRP treatment, and I wish many more who have failed outside in IUI or through IVF treatment can come and have the success through this treatment at ARC. And if you look at the cost, this whole process of treatment costs around 50,000 rupees. And if you have any financial difficulties, or if you are from a very financially challenged background, we are even prepared to do this treatment free of cost for you. So I invite all those who have failed outside through IUI or IVF treatment due to a poor or a thin endometrium to come and get benefited through this PRP treatment that is being given at ARC. Thank you.